consolation, if it's any consolation, it is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. I love you good. Just wanna be your girl.
Hi guys, I'm back again with another look, and today I'm here with a glam look. It's glam, but it's still chill at the same time. I was going for, you know, girls' night out, date night with your guys. You know, I be doing them over the top extra looks, and I'm like, not every day you want to be extra and bold with all these colors. So this look is for all my chill girls that want to get cute but not do too much with all them colors. So if you want this look, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and continue watching to get all the details on this look. To prime my eyes, I'm using this concealer and I'm applying it all over my eye and blending it in with my finger. Make sure that it's not patchy and nice and smooth. And then I'm moving in with the Morphe 3502 palette, and I tapped into this shade called Contour, and I'm just going to blend this into my crease nice and soft using the e.l.f. crease blending brush. This is going to be our transition shade. As you can see, I'm doing circular motion and also windshield wiper motions to just blend it into my crease. Tapping into Rich, I'm going to apply this right on top of Contour in windshield wiper motions. Also doing circular motions and building it up into my crease, making sure it's nice and dark. You want to focus mainly on the crease when you do this. Going into Brunette and then Muddy, you want to do windshield wiper motions on the lower half of your crease. You want to focus on that bottom half so that you can darken it up, and you don't want to go too far up because you don't want to go into Rich. When you're doing this, it's going to seem as if you're on your lid, but you're really focusing on that area right before you go into the crease. You just want to keep blending and blending, making sure that it's nice and dark. Switching to a blending brush from Wet n Wild, I tapped into Contour, and I'm using that to blend out Rich and really give it a more faded effect because it was looking kind of harsh on that area, and you want it to look more faded and smooth looking, like a smooth transition. So I'm just using this and blending in circular motions, as you can see, back and forth in circular motions, and the color begins to blend out and it gives it a more faded look. Going into this palette, I'm taking that black and I'm just tapping it in the corner and blending it out just a little bit in that area because I want that corner to be dark. And then I'm using the brush to blend out the black just a little bit. If you have the 3502 palette, you can use the black in there, but my palette, the black broke, and so yeah, that's gone. Using hazelnut and a flat top brush, I'm going to cut my crease. Now for this, I struggled a lot because the concealer just wasn't doing it for me. You know, I usually use a different shade for cutting my crease, but I was struggling. So now I'm taking this e.l.f. pigment called Brownie Points, and I'm going to apply it all over the area where we applied the concealer. And I did switch the brush. I am not using the same brush that I cut the crease with. And using this other flat brush, and this is more like a rectangular flat brush, I'm taking my black gel eyeliner and I'm carving the outside because I want it to have a more circular edge. And now I'm using my liquid eyeliner by e.l.f. and I'm just going over that, and I also lined my eye. And then I'm taking the NYX glitter primer and I'm applying glitter primer all over that area where we applied brownie points. And then I'm taking this brown glitter and applying it in that area, making sure that it is not getting on any of the other areas, that it stay right there, and making sure that it's nice and clean looking. Now that the glitter is applied, I wasn't really liking how my shadow was looking, so I went in and cleaned up around the glitter a little bit, adding more of the gel eyeliner in that area so that it looks more clean and faded. And I also add some around the crease so that it just transitions slowly into the darker color. Once I was done with that, I went back in with contour and rich and just blended out that area, and now I'm satisfied with how it looks. So I did the rest of my face off camera, so if you want to see how I contour and conceal and everything, check out one of my other videos. I feel like I do it so often on my videos, so I didn't want to do it again here. But I just went in with my highlight and highlighted my face, and then I went back into the palette, and I'll have the shades I use on the screen, and I use those shades to darken under my eyes and really smoke it out. I went back in with my Buried in Gold highlight and just highlighted my brow bone. And I applied the same highlight in my inner corners. After I applied my lashes, I decided to add Brunette and Muddy under my eyes again. I tried to darken it up just a little bit more and make it more smoky. So once I was done, I lined my waterline with this black pencil. It didn't have any paper or anything on it, so I don't know what it's called or where I got it from. Using my favorite mascara, I applied this on my lashes so they look real nice and bomb. I felt like it was missing something, so I took the NYX glitter primer and I applied a little glitter under my eye right in the beginning. And yeah, it just looks so bomb now. And then I took my my Wet n Wild lip liner, and I lined my lips, and then I went in with the e.l.f. lip gloss in Champagne. And these lip gloss are bomb. If you didn't watch my current favorites, then you are missing out on all the cute lip glosses that I showed you guys. And to finish off my face, I'm using the badescu Rose Water Setting Spray. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you comment below if you want more neutral, chill, but still glam looks, and I will have them. And also, be on the lookout for my hair review. I will be doing a review on this hair. I had it for a while now, and I was like, I've been getting a lot of compliments, so let me put you on. And I will have more coming, so be on the lookout, subscribe, tune in, because great things are coming. 2019, we are about to be killing it. We're blowing up, we're glowing together, we're supporting one another. Let's get it. I'll see you in the next video. Remember to be beautiful and love yourself.